In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can check whether a page on your website has been indexed on Google. So we all know before your website can appear in Google search results, your website needs to be indexed by Google. It needs to be saved in Google's database. So when someone searches a query and it's similar to it, they add it to their search engine results. So now let's check this. I'm going to show you guys two different ways in doing this. So the first one is by hopping on Google Search Console to do this. So now let's say we want to check whether this page has been indexed on Google. So we open the page here on the tutorial website, and then let's come here, and this is our Google Search Console account. So we come here, and then let's come here to our page that we want to check whether it's been indexed on Google. Let's copy the link, and then let's come to our console here. We've claimed our website. You can see this is the link of the website. This is for tutorial purposes. Now let's paste the link here, and now let's search on console. So Google is retrieving data, and they are saying this URL is not on Google. So yeah, this page hasn't been indexed on Google. But then we can see something here. They are saying nothing detected or anything like that. So all you need to do here, if you want it to be indexed by Google, is you'd have to submit a sitemap. If you've already submitted a sitemap, all you need to do is request indexing. If you've not submitted a sitemap, I don't think it's advisable for you to request indexing. But then if you submitted one already, I think you can request for indexing, something like that. Now let's move to the second way to check whether a page has been indexed on Google. So now let's come here. And now let's type this site, and you can see here India time. So let's use this website for the tutorial. So good. So you can see, look at the search here, site and the column, and you can see the URL of the website. You search this and you are going to see all the pages on this indiantimes.com that has been indexed on Google. So you can see a lot of them. Yes, they have a lot of pages on Google. It's been around for a long time. This is a big website. So yeah, that's it. So let's say you want to search a particular page on this website. Let me show you something. So this is what I do if I want to search a particular place on the website. I just add a plus, and let's say I want to search about, let's say, AI. So I'm going to get only AI related pages on this website. So now let's scroll down. Look at the results. You can see this is AI, 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 and this is AI. Every result I'm going to see here is AI. So here with a plus, I'm not going to see pages that has been indexed on Google, but I'm going to see pages that has been indexed on Google that has the AI in there. If I add the plus, if I don't add the plus, I'm going to see all the pages indexed without any filtering, something like that. So this is how you can check whether a page or your website has been indexed on Google. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.